Heyo value investors, how are you doing? My name is Stijn and welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, big news dropped for Gratomic, so today we're doing a quick update on Gratomic, or these ticker symbols. If you're looking for an in-depth analysis into the company that is Gratomic, I would advise checking out my last video on said company. I'll make sure to link them in the top right corner now. This video will be a quick update on a really interesting project Gratomic is now part of. TM2 or Technology Metals Market. Now let's go. So this is the article, this is the big news. Powering technology metals market trading platform and data channels. So TM2 went live with NASDAQ Technologies, which will enable institutional investors as well as individual investors to trade a new asset class of high value technology metals. So not just institutional investors but also individual investors. I've actually been able to sign up with TM2 and am now able to trade these metals. And of course I'm a retail investor, so retail investors also get access to this service. And this is an important part, high value technology metals. Meaning the low volume, rare metals that will actually power the technology of the future. For example, graphite, which is used in lithium-ion batteries. So it will be a profitable marketplace for tech metals trading. And TM2 apparently has the assets to become a leading global market and trading group, which I don't personally doubt. And this is a really important part, physical metals that are 100% physically backed. So the stocks you're trading on this platform will actually be backed by physical metal. No derivatives if you don't want to. And because investors have a direct title to the underlying physical metal, you have a claim to the physical metal and you can receive it if you want to. Or you can just trade on this platform. Next, they list some of the issuers on the TM2 platform. And the first one is Gratomic. So Gratomic, an environmentally conscious and ethical graphite producer that is carbon neutral and fully committed to the upholding of the highest ESG standards. Just some good words on Gratomic, which is what we like to see as an investor. And then they continue the list with different companies that will provide different metals for this service. And again, metals that define our whole future. They redefine our economy and they are the building blocks for our economy. So, for example, graphite. If you don't understand why graphite is so important, that's fine. I've done a video on it, linked in the top right corner now. So check it out if you want to learn more about anode materials and the reason they will power our future. Anyways, like we've already established, metals can be listed, traded or redeemed directly. And TM2 aims to enhance transparency to scarce and illiquid metals while institutionalizing trading and pricing on the global technology metals market. And of course, TM2 leverages NASDAQ's cloud deployed matching technology designed for robust and scalable operations to offer investors a real-time price feed, including detailed end-of-day trading statistics. So what is important from this paragraph? Enhance transparency to scarce and illiquid metals, so for example graphite, and that they offer investors a real-time price feed. So yeah, investors, institutional or individual, can now use TM2 to buy, trade or redeem their metals, which is just awesome. For example, traditionally graphite pricing was pretty hard to do, since most graphite that was being sold was sold behind closed doors, business to business. This platform will ensure that prices are governed by demand and supply. And we individual investors also get access to the updated prices. So awesome, this is really good news for graphite as a commodity, but more specifically Gratomic. See, as far as I can tell, Gratomic will be the only graphite supplier for TM2. And Gratomic can then use this platform as another avenue to sell their black gold. And that's just awesome. So now they can discuss offtake prices with customers, but also with TM2. And they will have access to a real-time price feed, ensuring more fair prices for both parties. So Gratomic now has an even better starting position for price negotiations. And they have access to just another avenue they can use to get the best prices for their commodity. Besides, I think this is a great step for all the rare metals that are used in the tech of the future, especially to cement their position as a commodity that's easily tradable. But also Gratomic is legitimized once again by this article, which is published on the NASDAQ site. And like I said, Gratomic gets access to just another avenue to sell their black gold, which is awesome in and on itself. And by the way, as of right now, Graphite is not sold on the platform just yet. And I've called with TM2 personally, and they've said to me that Graphite will be available to trade on this platform in just a couple of weeks to a couple of months. Of course, this isn't certain, just some speculation from their end. And by the way, since TM2 is partnered with the NASDAQ, and since Gratomic has stated interest in uplisting to the NASDAQ in the future, some people on forums are asking whether this means an uplisting to the NASDAQ anytime soon for Gratomic. And I'm really sorry to burst your bubble, but no, Gratomic is not uplisting anytime soon. At least as far as I can tell. See, this is from NASDAQ's listing requirements. So these are the requirements Gratomic would need to hit before uplisting to the NASDAQ. And here we can see a minimum bid price or share price of $4 is needed. And as far as I know, Gratomic isn't trading at those levels just yet. Maybe they will soon. Time will tell. I am certainly hoping so. But I can also wait for a NASDAQ uplisting. Anyways, I think that's it. If you have any questions left, make sure to drop them down below. I'll try to answer them to the best of my ability. And maybe we can all learn from your line of thinking. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and maybe even subscribe. Comment down below what you want me to talk about next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.